Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 13. Today is Tuesday, 13th of December. I don't know if it's like a bad luck, 13th, Tuesday and 13th. I think it's Friday the 13th. Yeah. But yes, today it's a new day. I'm very happy because I have an excitement appointment. You see me without any makeup at the moment because I will go a little bit later today to do a facial. I want to have the microneedling. I think I talked to my last video about this. So we will see if we will do the microneedling treatment or we will do a facial like the Hydra facial that I did last time that I went over there. But yeah, I have kept everything very simple. I took a shower this morning. I just wanted to feel refreshed when I woke up, so a shower will always, it always does the job. So this is the status for the moment. I will go get some breakfast and I will also have a call with a friend for a very exciting project that she's doing. And then we will go to the facial appointment, and I will also go to the city center because there is a vintage shop that I want to go over and check some things. I've never been to like a vintage shopping situation, so I really want to go and check the things out. And yeah, this is gonna be the plan for today. Also, this is the outfit for the moment. I would say it's like it's not the coziest one, but it's very practical and very comfy. So I have these black leggings from Adanola, as well as the sports bra, yes, it's also from Adanola. And then on top I have an Oiso zip up thing, and then my cozy socks, and this is it. Very simple. It's freezing cold outside. We woke up and it was like -10. Can you imagine? Like the feeling temperature was -10. I think it was around, I don't know, probably -5 or something. But yeah, super cold outside. Everything is frozen. I will show you. But we are very lucky and blessed that we have like good isolation inside the apartment and we are not very cold inside. So yes, this is the status of this morning. So as you can see, it's a beautiful morning, but it's a frozen morning. Everything is white, but it's not snow. I just came back from the facial. We did actually the hydro facial, and on Thursday I have an appointment for the microneedling, but you can already, maybe you can see already that my skin feels a little bit more clean and like shiny. I do still have a lot of discoloration and I hope the microneedling will help, but I'm very happy with how, my skin looks and everything, like all the dark spots that I had, like for example on my nose, I have almost nothing, so it feels like much clearer, and I'm very happy that I did that today. Unfortunately, I cannot go to my hot yoga because we have like all these nice serums on my skin, and I don't want to ruin all this effort and all this money to just go to yoga, so I will just avoid exercising today and I will go tomorrow. And I am very, very hungry because I haven't eaten all day. I did the mistake and I didn't eat breakfast. I had a call and it took like longer than expected, so and I had the appointment after for my facial, so it was like back to back in a way, in a very good way, but I didn't have the time to eat properly. So now I will go cook something, and then I will take this opportunity that I will not work out to go to the city center and go to this vintage shop that I was telling you about, so I can also show you if I find something what I got. But yeah, this is the plan. It's a little bit later and I have a bag. This is from the vintage store that I went, and I had a success. I bought 2 items and I cannot believe the price of them, and I am very happy. It was such a nice store. My friend recommended this to me, so thank you very much, Ines, for this suggestion. I just really like it, and I will show you what I bought. The soap is called Pardon Me Closet. and it's a second-hand store. So they also provided this nice bag, so I can have it, you know, when I go to my, not my yoga class, but my CrossFit class. But yeah, I really like the soap, the service. So let me show you what I got. Both of the items that I bought are trousers, and the first one is this one. This is a côtelet trouser or like pants that I found over there. It's actually from H&M's, like divided the brand, and I have to say I bought this for 15 euros, which I think it's a really good price compared to how I would bought it like from the store. And I like the fact that, you know, it was my size. I was looking for like pants like this with this material. I tried it, it was on my size, as I said, so I was like, okay, I will get it. And for 15 euros I think that is worth it for the quality and the brand itself. So this is what I bought, and I will show you how it looks. And this is how they look like. I really like how they fit on my legs, on my body, and they are very comfortable. I would say that they are like high-waisted because my belly button is like a little bit lower than the button over here, but I really like how they feel, as I said, and they will be my kind of new staple for this winter time. They also feel, you know, like warm and cozy. So yes, I just love them. And the second item is this pair of jeans. It's a black pair of jeans from the brand called Never Denim, and I really like the fit. It's like tight, but in the end, like in the ending, it's a little bit like wider. It is it's not high rise, but it's like on the height of your belly button, so of my belly button. So I don't have any other like pants or jeans that they are at this style, let's say, but I wasn't sure at the beginning, but I felt nice inside of them, and I wanted to, you know, buy something a little bit different from what I already have. And the price of them was 30 euros. So in the end, for two pair of pants, I paid 45 euros, and actually, now that I'm thinking, I paid 40 euros. So this was like such a nice, you know, price for two pair of jeans or like two pair of pants. So let me show you also these, how they look like. And here it is. As you can tell, it is very fitting, and it goes like under my belly button, which is super weird for me because all of my jeans and pants, they are like high-waisted. So for me, I wanted to try like something a little bit different. We'll see how it goes, but yeah, I like the color, I like the wear of it. So I think it's a great piece that I hope I will enjoy a lot during this, you know, time of the year. And yeah, I will go now finish editing this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you also had a really nice day so far, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!